Here's a double stop hybrid picking idea inspired by Albert Lee. So what Albert does, which is really cool, is he'll take a chord tone, in this case we're in the key of E, he's taking the major third, G sharp, and then playing B and D, so we've got the major third, the fifth, and the flat 7, which really outlines an E7 chord. The hybrid picked idea on the right hand involves playing a downstroke on string 4, then we pluck the double stop on strings 3 and 2. Then Albert usually removes the middle finger and plays an upstroke on string 3. That's followed by another downstroke on string 4, and then we reapply the middle finger on the left hand and pluck strings 3 and 2. So that loop cycles, so we go pick, pluck, up, down, pluck, up, down, pluck, up, down, pluck. We can take this idea across other chords. What we can do is if we transition to A, we can bring the little finger back 1 fret, which is a G, and that's playing the flat 7 of A. Then we can use our first finger to bar strings 3 and 2, and that's going to be the root and major third of A. We use the same right hand picking pattern as before. You could practice going between E7, A7, back to E7, and then you can use the same shape we did for A7 on B. That's formed by just moving your little finger 1 fret to the right. Now you're playing the flat 7 of B, and with the first finger, the root and major third of B. All together. It's quite stylistic for Albert to slide into each of these shapes as well. So I'm sliding in from 1 semitone behind each time I transition. If you struggle with the upward picking on the open third string, you can also pull off. This is something that Brent Mason does quite a lot. So you would go down, pluck, pull, down, pluck, pull, down, pluck, pull, down, pluck, pull, down, pluck. I personally use the pick, as in my humble opinion I feel it adds more weight and clarity to the sound. But it's down to taste really. Obviously pulling off will be much easier at faster speeds. Hope you enjoyed that everyone. Let me know in the comments how you got along with this.